A bunny and a rabbit is the same thing, isn't it?
Is it? I see bunny as like pink and rabbit as white.
Hello, I'm Ben Barnes from Shadow and Bone, and we are going to play How Well Do You Know Your Co-Star with Marie Claire. My first question is, what was the very first job that I ever got paid to do? A, playing the drums in the West End. B, working in a bar even though I was underage. Or was it C, performing a musical number in front of the Queen where I had to take my clothes off?
I really want that one to be true.
I think it's C. I think he may have mentioned that before.
You were doing illegal bar work.
Playing drums in the West End.
I know you did that. I know you did that, but I don't know if that was your first.
Actually, I'm going to go with that one. I'm going to go with the paid to play the drums.
What are we going for then? There's too many of us. Drums?
We'll go with the drums.
Okay.
You are correct. That was the first thing I
Yes.
But they are all things that I did do.
I think you had done that. For my 11th birthday, I asked for and received A, a wok, B, a top hat, or C, a Swiss Army knife.
They all represent different facets of you.
They do.
They're all so viable.
B, it's top hat.
Yeah.
It's a top hat. It's got to be a top hat.
It's got to be a top hat.
I really want it to be little Jessie in a top hat.
You're correct. It was a top hat.
Yeah.
I was a big fan of Slash when I was about 11. So I asked for a top hat, and I used to wear it outside quite a lot.
Hella cute.
What is my favourite song of all time? Is it A,
I know.
As by Stevie Wonder? Is it B, I'm Coming Out by Diana Ross? Or is it C, which is September by Earth, Wind and Fire?
You like all of those songs.
That's not because we
You
know
like
you
all of
love
them.
all of those songs.
I think it's
Yeah, that's why it's
I'm
Tom.
going to go
I think
as. I'm
But
gonna,
I think
Stevie
I've
Wonder.
heard you say As before.
Yeah.
And it is a mega
It
song.
reminds me of you.
Well, you are correct. You know me so well.
Yeah.
As around the sun, the earth knows she's revolving.
I'm now invested in this game to the point where I want us to come across as people who do know each other really well. I didn't think I would care, but now
exactly.
I do.
What was the animal of the onesie that I wore on set? Was it A bear, B, a bunny, C, a rabbit?
Wait, a bunny and a rabbit?
Oh, a bunny and a rabbit is the same thing, isn't it?
Is it? I see bunny as like pink and rabbit as white.
Well, you weren't in a pink onesie, so that one's out.
A bunny is a baby rabbit.
Yeah, thank you. That's what I mean. Thank you.
they do come out,
But they're not
pink, I guess,
normally
don't they?
pink.
All right, bloody
but
hell.
they-
All right. A hare, B a bunny, C a
rabbit.
Changing it.
I'm
Is it a bunny, a hare,
Well,
or a
it's
rabbit?
clearly. It's got a bit. Well, I'm going with all three,
All
which is
three of
one
them.
animal, which is a rabbit, right?
It was a bunny.
Go on, Davida.
It was a rabbit. I'm going to say rabbit specifically.
I'm going to go rabbit.
It was a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Yeah, there we go.
Everyone wins.
I loved that you wore a onesie on set. It was so cold some of those mornings, and you'd come in to get
It
your
was
hair and makeup
very
done,
cheering.
and you'd have this onesie, and you'd be sat in the chair for like 2 hours, and I was like, I don't think Amita's working today. She's just chilling.
What was my first job? A labourer. B, in a reptile shop. C, in Waitrose.
B, in a reptile shop.
Yeah, reptile
Yeah.
shop. The Snake Man.
Yeah.
Were a-
You used to
were
have a
a
pet
label,
snake,
but-
didn't you?
Yeah.
Snake.
Yeah, Jimmy's brother owned it.
Oh,
Wow.
Jimmy, who's in our
Okay.
Jimmy, who plays Topin, his brother,
Oh yeah.
gave me and my best mate our first jobs, and we had Saturday jobs in a reptile shop, which was wicked.
I think this might be quite an easy one, but what is my middle name? Is it A, Jacob, B, James, or C, Jeremiah?
B.
James.
James.
Mine's.
You
We've
weren't
got the same.
confident with that.
Yeah,
Gee, I remember now.
we've got the same.
Yeah.
How many films have I been in?
Ooh.
9, 11, or 13?
I'll say 11.
Yeah,
I think 11.
nice middle ground.
I spend
I'm
quite a
gonna
lot of
say
time just
13.
scrolling through your IMDb, so I'm going to say 11.
Yeah.
Oh, you should do.
Last time I checked,
Say what?
11.
Might learn something. It's 13.
Oh!
So, 1 point for Nita and none for any of you.
I win, right?
I've got 2 more things to watch tonight. It's great.
My mum has an affectionate sort of nickname for me, and she never really calls me by my name. So, does my mum call me Devil Child, Jason, or Smelly Albert?
I think I know.
Again, all
Oh.
feasible.
I think I
Calls
remember
you-
you saying
calls you Jason.
it's Jason, isn't it? Yeah. Your mum
I think
calls
it's
you
Jason.
What? Like
Jason Maylee.
that?
So I feel like I
Jason
remember you telling
Maylee.
me, and my reaction being,
I'm gonna.
You're
I'm gonna.
correct. My mum calls me Jason.
Oh, why did she call you Jason?
I don't even know. Neither of my parents actually call me Jessie, which is really weird. But
Which food do I not like eating? Chocolate, cake, or carrots?
I know you
Yeah.
don't like sweet foods, so it's either chocolate or
Yeah,
cake.
you-
I'm gonna go with cake because I love cake, and I always offer you some, and you're like, "No, I'm good." So I'm gonna. It's a really interesting story.
Because
but I think
no
it's cake.
one would get in the way between you and your cake.
No.
That's why.
That's
As you
true.
said.
No one should
Listen,
Yeah.
I
Just
listen.
throw a
I've
knife
seen
at you.
You don't have a
"You're
sweet tooth.
chocolate."
Yeah, chocolate.
chocolate.
No, it's cake. Pastry ain't the same as
Ah.
cake.
a cake can
No,
be
I'm really
anything.
annoying. It's really. I'd be that kid. I'd be that kid at parties. You know, when you walk around, you get a party bag, and you get like a little bit of cake in there, and it would just live in the fridge. And my dad would be like weeping, like, "Please eat the cake, otherwise I'll have to." And I had a birthday where I was doing a job, and we had loads of birthdays while we were rehearsing for this play, and everyone had cake almost every week. And they got to me and they realised they'd worked out that I never ate any of the cake, and they were like, "What do you want?" And I was like, "I don't know, like anything, like a pizza." And as a joke, and they brought me a birthday pizza with candles in it.
When I was a kid, people used to give me. I used to love cantaloupe, like melon, and I used to get a birthday melon with candles in it.
I get a birthday
You get a birthday what?
pineapple. Did I
Oh,
not
Birthday
mention that?
pineapple.
What a bunch of weirdos we are.
What was the name of the place I was born in? Is it A, Imperiari, B, Birgunj, C, Kathmandu?
Big Ange. B.
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 Big and
B?
I'm going to go for A.
I'm gonna go
I'm
A.
going with A.
B sounded familiar.
Oh, well done. It's A, Imperiari.
Yeah.
Well, at least
Hamag
the
Majiwan
crows
Bani.
know.
Oh, go on,
Yeah.
Fanny.
What is my favourite biscuit or cookie? Is it A, Oreo, B, Maryland cookies, C, Fox's butter biscuit?
butter biscuit.
Butter
What?
biscuit.
That's a week in grams in.
Yeah.
Butter biscuit.
Yeah.
Butter biscuit.
Is that what I did?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. What did
Yeah,
I
little
do?
biscuits.
Yeah,
You're talking about having all your biscuits.
You were like, oh yeah, when you binge a show and you get your biscuits.
yeah, there you go.
So how many cameras do I have? Is it 6,
Ooh.
9, or 12? The collection has grown since we were filming.
12.
I'm gonna go 9.
I mean,
I'm
I
going
think
to go
that's
9.
6.
I'm gonna go 9.
I'm going to say it's almost
Like-
as many films as Ben Barnes has been in, so I'm going to say 12.
12.
The answer is 9.
Yes.
Who got that?
Okay, but by the time this comes out, it'll be 12, right?
Yeah,
So
you're
I
going to
wouldn't
have
It
will.
will.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There'll be a surplus.
Yeah, I'm impressed with
But
everything.
Yeah.
Amita knows us the best, it seems.
I do.
Yes.
I do.
Yeah.
Know us the best.
Our little bunny.
Champion.
A little
A
hair
little
bunny,
funny
rabbit.
rabbit hair.
Thank you so much for watching How Well Do You Know Your Co-Star, and don't forget to subscribe to Marie Claire.
And don't forget to watch our show, Shadow and Bone, now streaming on Netflix.